friends, today we are going to see about unboxing the kids' portable mini microscope and experimenting its features. I bought it from Treya Gifts through online. This is especially made for the kids, designed to spark curiosity and foster a love for science in young minds. This compact, lightweight microscope offers 80x magnification, allowing children to explore intricate details on everyday objects from leaves and insects to fabric, fiber and coins. Built-in LED illumination, 2 LED lights with a switch for its operation. Built-in battery, readily available battery, portable and lightweight design. User-friendly operation, durable construction and the strong strap for carrying easily. Samsung model phone. At the back side of the middle camera lens and switch on the LED light. Zoom on your phone so that the microscope lens coordinates and focus on the object. Let's experiment its features. First, let's see the cardboard with its deep interior design, which we could not see it normally at first. Let us look at different objects like flowers, ball, cardboard, onion, potato for your view. Well friends, it is quite interesting to work at 80x magnification on all these objects. Thank you friends, we will see you again in the next interesting video on unboxing and the life hack.